Hello everyone and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to find large attachments in Gmail. So guys, if you want to find files that take a lot of space on your Google Drive pretty much, because Google Drive is shared storage also among the Gmail as well, you need to just use the search bar. So delete whatever you have here so that you have a clean slate. Go up to the search bar and then type in this kind of code. So you need to type in has. There you go, attachments larger. Right, so I'll just choose this and not type everything else manually. Right, and then in the, as you can see, I have 10M, so this stands for 10 megabytes. You can just choose, for example, 100 megabytes. So you type in 100 M. There you go, and search. So I will not have any of this because I don't even use this account that much for Gmail. But say I will do 10. Maybe it's going to find something. No. What about 1 megabyte? No, nothing. Okay, so you just choose this and you specify which, file size you want to search for. And the system, by this search, is going to find your attachment by this particular site you input automatically. No manual work required. So just ditch manual searching, use search like this, and you're good to go then. Enjoy the guide as always, and thank you for watching.